Hello my Totodile family and welcome back to Totodile Tales. We are doing another episode of the shorts, which means I open up one single pack to see what we get. I am opening up the new set, Vivid Voltage. I will be doing longer videos, but right now I just want to get some content out there. This is a brand new set. We want to see it. Fire Energy, oh my gosh, focus. Mightyena, Pinchurchin, Loudred, Charmander, Chatot, Joltik, Cottony, Mudbray, Reverse Cottony, and Dusknor Hollow. Ooh, look at those spooky ghosts on the right-hand side.